So all of that we speak about, the EF3, super powerful tornado. But there was another one that formed that night as well, and this one went through Garland, packed winds of 135 miles an hour. And Brooke Rogers spent time today talking to people. They say the physical scars, they have healed in a lot of ways, but for them, the mental scars for survivors are still very real.
Here in Garland, the tornado was on the ground for 6 minutes and traveled 2.5 miles. But it only took seconds for it to destroy the home Eric Tatum lived in and grew up in.
Yeah, so this is my childhood home. You know, and it took 20 seconds, and it was everything was gone.
When they heard the sirens, Eric Tatum and his wife grabbed their 2 sleeping children and a mattress and waited.
And then you hear wind shattering, sounds like wind and glass breaking, and then boom, it's gone.
For Tatum, it was an unfortunate family affair. His cousin, Chelsea Raymond, lived across the street.
And then when I went outside and turned around and actually looked at the house, that's when I realized that the house completely got hit.
It would be a year almost to the day before the Tatums could call it home again.
It's hard to put into words because you're so grateful that you have your house. So, I mean, and you're back where your normalcy.
But Raymond is still awaiting her closure, both with her house and with what she lost. Her college soccer team at Stephen F. Austin won 4 conference championships. The rings she won disappeared in the tornado.
They're kind of something that you can look back on every once in a while and realize the accomplishments that you had.
2 have been found, and she hopes the other 2 will turn up someday. For Raymond and her cousin, it's been a year of both trials and tenacity.
The world's going to kick you down, and you just kind of keep getting up. You know, you can't just let it beat you down and quit.
Brooke Rogers, CBS 11 News.